Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video, I'm going to go through a potential New Zealand US dollar long opportunity, what I'm seeing on the market and kind of what we're anticipating here. Now, what I have highlighted back here is the last time the 4 hour was in an impulse phase. We also have this one through here, and what I wanted to talk about was the characteristics on the impulse and the retracement phases in the market and how you can try and identify opportunities within that. So what we can see in an 4 hour uptrend and a 4 hour impulse phase is the market on the 30-minute time frame making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, now they are going to be a little bit sometimes giving you a couple of false sort of breakdowns in the market. That's just because price is coming back and retesting some supply and demand areas as it starts to move to the upside, but the fundamentals are there. You know, every time we get a retracement phase on the 4 hour time frame, on the 30-minute time frame, we'll see the market making lower lows and lower highs. When that changes, we then start to see the 4 hour in an impulse phase, market making higher highs and higher lows. Now, what's interesting about what's happening here at the moment is that we could be potentially setting up for another impulse phase on the 4 hour time frame. Reason being, the New Zealand dollar is one of the strongest currencies and the US dollar is one of the weakest right now. So when we see that, the market naturally trends to the upside. So if I go onto the 4 hour time frame at the moment, we were talking about sort of New Zealand dollar and a couple of areas for opportunities. Now, the reason why price bounced pretty much in here was because there was a little bit of a retracement phase. The market came in, rallied to the upside. Now, ideally, I would want price to come back a little bit further. However, price has come and retested this previous structure high just through here. And because the strength of the New Zealand dollar is so strong, we're starting to see the retracements become a little bit more shallow. But what we can look for on that turning point is the 30-minute time frame trend. Okay, so if we look at the 30-minute time frame, at the moment price is still technically making lower lows and lower highs because we haven't taken out this high yet. However, what I'm expecting is the market to respect this area. Now, the reason why I'm expecting this is because the price has just closed quite high against this. Now, we did talk about in the past about the 38.2 Fibonacci, the 23.6 Fibonacci tool. Now, the 23.6 Fibonacci tool for me is where price has sort of extended too much that we're going to see a reversal in the trend. So if you were trending to the downside here, like we have, for instance, okay, naturally you would look at a retracement phase in here, and a lot of traders would say, you know, I want to be short from either the 50% or the 38.2, depending on the rules, or the 618, whatever. However, I like to look at the 23.6 as the last sort of ditch area for the market. If the market closes above this area, I'm expecting a move to the upside. So I'm actually going to look now for areas of demand where I expect the market to come into. Now, if we actually just look here, for instance, the market has formed a sort of, if I can just line this up, let's just delete that. Let me use an actual line tool. Here and here, we can see that the market was finding some consolidation and a little breakout to the upside. So what I'm expecting here actually from the New Zealand dollar is another move back down and then a potential long opportunity coming through in and around 72.48. Okay, reason being, so we've got the 4 hour potentially moving into an uptrend. We've got the Fibonacci 23.6 tool being closed above. So I'm looking for this opportunity on a bit more of a day trading move, and I'll just trade it up to the previous structure highs, which would literally be just through here. Okay, because that would be the sort of resistance area for the market. This is where a bit of selling momentum came in. So like I said, just here, nice little pullback into this area and a long up into around about 72.75 is looking good on the strength and weakness side of things. Thanks for watching this video update. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, questions, please comment down below, and I'll speak to you soon.